you
We're still waiting for the Air India crash report. वो कब आएगी सर?
वो भी आएगी, वो भी चल रहा है, उसका रिपोर्ट चल रहा है. This I can't give you a strict timeline
Sir,
because
June,
this is not
June and we are sitting in December.
Let us not hurry on the investigation. Investigation is something which has to be very thoroughly done. These are not facts which we can just talk over the table and put a deadline and say this thing, because they have multiple aspects which are needed to be followed up with it. And this is according to
July,
international
the preliminary
guidelines.
report came, sir.
Yes.
Since then, it is darkness, which is why
It is not
people
darkness.
have very little faith in investigations and
you have
time.
to see the investigations that have been done before also. They take the necessary amount of time that is required for them to take. There is no mandated period of investigation, because each investigation has its own nature. ऐसे भी नहीं
हमारे बच्चों के समय तक शायद आ जाएगा.
ऐसे भी नहीं है. Don't put this kind of statements. ये चलता रहेगा, because we are very, very serious about that incident. All the resources that are necessary for that incident have been provided. So there is a process that is being followed, and we want to close in all the elements of the investigation. So it is not just trying to prepare a report for someone to read. It is actually trying to do the investigation so that those kind of incidents don't repeat itself. It is a very technical aspect of it.
There has to be a timeline. There has to be a time frame. June से लेकर December तक
incidents and investigations. Navika ji, civil aviation follows the International Civil Aviation Organization guidelines. You like it or not, these are the international, because aviation is an international aspect. It's a global aspect. People are traveling not only within the country, but they travel internationally, and these are guidelines which everyone has to agree to, when everyone has to comply and follow also. And investigations also come under that strict process.
We come back to square one.
Investigation also comes under this. This is something, Navika ji, before you were born also. I'm probably, I don't know the date, but before you were born also, these conventions, they have all met, and this is something they have
Sir,
agreed upon.
कन्वेंशन तो FDTL लेके आई थी 2 साल पहले, आपने इम्प्लीमेंट नहीं किया. अब आप मुझे उसी का हवाला दे रहे हैं.
2 साल पहले सरकार लेके आई थी, और उसका इम्प्लीमेंटेशन प्रोसेस ही था. वो उसके कंसल्टेशन चल रहे थे, कब करना है, कैसे करना है, प्रिपरेशन क्या है. इसी बीच में कोर्ट का ऑर्डर आया था. डेट्स हमने दिए कि ये डेट्स में what is agreed upon will be selected in the 2 dates and will be implemented. Everything is clear in that.